Simple present exercises for beginners 2. Exercise. Put the verb in parentheses in simple present. Answer number 1. They all speak 3 languages. Number 2 answer. I don't like or do not like traveling. Number 3. I love you. Number 4 answer. This weighs 20 kilograms. Sir, we like bananas. Number 6. The girl wants to play. Number 7. You need to sleep. Number 8. They agree with me. Number 9. She hears something strange. Number 10. The box contains food. Answer number 11. Sally looks sad. Number 12. Arnold knows how to fix a car. Number 13. Ken and Samantha seem happy. This smells nice. Number 15. I don't believe you. Number 15 is a negative sentence. Number 16. We are the champions. And number 17. Connor always kisses his children good night.